Everybody, Keith, East Village Wine Geek here, and dear 2012, thank you for arriving. Let's do this. You and me, 2012, we're just gonna be awesome together. We're gonna hold hands, we're gonna frolic through the park, Central Park. It's a big park, big enough for a good year like 2012 to hang out in. Let's frolic together. So here we are in 2012. Happy New Year, everybody. It's January, it's cold. It's finally cold here in New York City. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it's cold. I just want to do a little video about what I think 2012 has in store for the wine world. What's going to be popular this year? You know, I'm just a guy that digs wine, so I'm just going to talk about what I think is going to be fun and what I'd like to get into. And then you guys can respond and say, well, Keith, I don't think you're right, or, yeah, I can dig that, Keith. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. 2012. My goals for 2012, I don't have resolutions, I just have goals, because, you know, resolutions are just so final. My goal for 2012 is a couple things, a few things. Number one, I want to get people more and more into South African wine. I think there's amazing things going on in South Africa. Amazing wines finally coming onto the American market that we can get people into. This wonderful thing called Pinotage that used to be kind of a high-yielding, crappy wine, which is now actually being taken care of and is producing some pretty awesome stuff. We have some great South African wines here, and I'm going to start doing some videos about that whole area and, you know, just kind of get people into it. It's really an awesome place for wine. So it's time to start getting focused with South Africa to show what kind of awesomeness can be had, especially in this time of year, in the cold winter months. Pinotage is awesome. A good Pinotage is awesome. And then in the summer months, you can chill it down and drink it cold. It's great. Great stuff. Chenin Blanc, all kinds of cool stuff. I also want to get into the Rhone Valley. Last year, I did a lot of work with Languedoc-Roussillon. I think it's a very important place in the world for wine. If you're trying to get into French wine, it's the most affordable place to go and drink and enjoy. $12 and $15 a bottle. The thing about Côte du Rhône and the Rhone Valley, there's a lot of really great affordable stuff too, but as we all know, as we might know, there's a lot of stuff in the southern part of the Rhone that is kind of, you know, mass-produced, and it can be good, it can be bad, it's never really horrible, but it's usually, some of it's just like, meh. So I want to start kind of talking about that area of the world and getting people into like the awesomeness that is the Côte du Rhône, because Syrah happens to be my favorite varietal. I love it. Also, I kind of want to get people into champagne and sparkling wine in a non-celebratory manner. Huh? What's that mean, Keith? Well, you know, during this time of year, champagne, well, back in about 72 hours ago or more, champagne was a big deal. The thing about champagne is it's a very versatile wine, and it's very good with food, this thing called food, and there's a lot to be had with champagne. There's a lot of fun to be had with champagne. It doesn't necessarily have to be a celebratory event. So I want to kind of get people into sparkling wine, champagne especially, and kind of give everyone an idea of what it's like and what can be paired with it. So those are my goals for 2012. I hope you guys are having a great new year. I know it just started. Here in New York, it was a little bit hard to get started, but we're started, we're getting going. And look out this year, I have a lot of projects coming up. I'm finally going to get my website going, which is going to be a lot of fun, and there's going to be a lot of craziness with that. Happy New Year. You guys are awesome. Thanks for supporting Alphabet City Wine Company. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for following me on Twitter. Thanks for liking us on Facebook. Thanks for coming to our restaurant in Vino. Thanks for shopping at Alphabet City Wine Company. Thank you for helping us spread the wine love. You're helping wine to the people make it become a reality. So, love you guys!